Imagine making videos in minutes, not hours, thanks to AI. So, what's the big deal with AI video generators? Well, these smart tools use artificial intelligence to help you create videos super fast, sometimes with just a few clicks. Need a before and after transformation for your latest project? Or want a snappy demo to show off your skills? AI can do that in seconds. Searches for these tools jumped by a whopping 8,700%. That's like going from zero to viral overnight. Content creators everywhere are using them to speed up their workflow and wow their viewers. Whether you're making YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels, AI video generators are changing the game. So if you want to save time and make eye-catching videos without being a tech genius, it's time to give AI video generators a try. Some of the most popular platforms include InVideo, Synthesia, Pictory, Lumen 5, and Runway ML. These tools let you turn text into videos, create lifelike avatars, automate editing, and add stunning effects, making it easier than ever for creators to bring their ideas to life. Who knows, your next viral hit could be just a click away.